Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to increase storage in Google Drive. So if your storage is running out, check this storage cloud icon right here. And if your storage is full, mine is empty, but your might be full, get more storage right here, click on this, or click right here on get more storage. Then it will open up Google One account, and it will suggest you that you try Google One at a discount. So let's say 15 gigabytes, your current plan, which is free, or you can start a trial for $0, 100 gigabytes, 200 gigabytes, or even 2 terabytes for $10 a month. So always click on start trial and then proceed to upgrade it. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.